Which Harappan site is known as the largest city of the Indus Valley Civilization? Answer is Rakhigdi. Who was the Director General of Archaeological Survey of India when the Indus Valley Civilization was announced? Answer is John Marshall. Which Harappan site is located on the banks of the Indus River? Answer is Mohenjo-daro. Which Harappan site is famous for its dockyard? Answer is Lothal. The bronze statue of the dancing girl belongs to which period? Answer is Indus Valley Civilization. Which of the following metals was not known to the Harappans? Answer is iron. Which Harappan site is famous for the discovery of a cemetery? Answer is Harappa. The Harappan civilization is also known as what? Answer is Indus-Saraswati civilization. Which Harappan site has evidence of a three-part city structure? Answer is Dholavira. Which of the following was an important craft of the Harappans? Answer is bead making. Which Harappan site is located near the Gulf of Khambat? Answer is Lothal. Which animal is generally considered absent from Harappan seals? Answer is horse. What is the main source of information about the Harappan civilization? Answer is archaeological remains. Which Harappan site is situated in Pakistan? Answer is Mohenjo-daro. The Harappan civilization developed mainly in which river valley? Answer is Indus Valley. Which Harappan site is famous for its advanced drainage system? Answer is Mohenjo-daro. Which Harappan site is known for fire altars? Answer is Kalibangan. Which type of bricks were commonly used by Harappans? Answer is burnt bricks. The Harappan script was written on what? Answer is seals. Which Harappan site is known for a large water reservoir system? Answer is Dholavira. Which civilization had trade relations with the Harappans under the name Meluha? Answer is Mesopotamian civilization. Which Harappan site is located in Haryana? Answer is Rakhigdi. The Great Bath of Mohenjo-daro was probably used for what? Answer is religious bathing. Which of the following represents the town planning feature of Harappan cities? Answer is grid pattern streets. Which Harappan site is famous for terracotta models and bead industry? Answer is Chanhudaro. Which Harappan site is known as the first discovered site of the Indus Valley Civilization? Answer is Harappa. The Harappan civilization flourished during which period? Answer is 2500 BCE to 1500 BCE. Which Harappan site is located in the Kutch region of Gujarat? Answer is Dholavira. Which of the following was an important feature of Harappan cities? Answer is planned drainage system. The Harappan civilization is mainly associated with what? Answer is bronze technology. Which Harappan site yielded evidence of a ploughed agricultural field? Answer is Kalibangan. Which of the following animals was not commonly domesticated by Harappans? Answer is lion. The Harappans imported which material from outside regions? Answer is copper. Which Harappan site is famous for its bead factory? Answer is Chanhudaro. Which script was used by the people of the Indus Valley Civilization? Answer is Indus script. The Harappan seals were mostly made of what? Answer is steatite. Which of the following was a major feature of Harappan houses? Answer is houses with bathrooms and drainage connections. Which Harappan site is located in Uttar Pradesh? Answer is Alamgirpur. Which Harappan site is located near the Ghaggar river? Answer is Kalibangan. Which Harappan site provides evidence of a sophisticated water management system? Answer is Dholavira. The Harappans worshipped a deity similar to whom? Answer is Pashupti Shiva. Which of the following was a major reason for the decline of the Harappan civilization? Answer is environmental changes. Which Harappan site is located in Maharashtra? Answer is Daimabad. The Harappan economy was mainly based on what? Answer is agriculture and trade. Which metal was used by Harappans to make tools and weapons? Answer is copper and bronze. Which Harappan site is famous for the discovery of a terracotta plough? Answer is Banwali. Which of the following cities belong to the Harappan civilization? Answer is Mohenjo-daro. The Harappan civilization was mainly what? Answer is urban civilization. Which of the following statements about Harappan script is correct? Answer is, it remains undeciphered. Which civilization is considered one of the oldest urban civilizations in the world along with Mesopotamia and Egypt? Answer is Indus Valley Civilization.